Welcome to Stemophile YouTube channel. I am Imran Shah, and in this video, we'll learn about input and output functions, which are printf and scanf. In our fifth video, we discussed the printf function, which prints whatever is inside its double quotes. For example, printf hello world. This will print hello world on the screen. However, there are some things printf doesn't display as they are. These are special characters like \n, which tells the compiler to move to the next line. If you haven't seen my previous video on the printf function, I recommend watching that video first. Click on the I button to learn the basics of printf. Today, let's dive deeper into the printf function and learn how to print the value of a variable. Int age is equal to 20, int salary is equal to 5000, printf you are age years old. If we write the name of the variable age in our string, the output will display the exact string you are age years old. Why the output will display the exact string? Because printf doesn't recognize age as a variable here. It treats it as part of the text. To print a variable's value, we write %d, you are %d years old. After the double quotes, we add a comma and the name of the variable. Now, %d acts as a placeholder for the variable's value. When this printf function executes, it reads the string and prints it as it is. When it reaches the %d sign, it recognizes there's a variable after the double quotes. It reads that variable, replaces %d with the variable's value, and prints it along with the rest of the string. Let's run it. It printed you are 20 years old. You can also print multiple variables in a single printf statement. For example, printf your age is %d and your salary is %d, age, salary. Here, the first %d prints the value of the first variable age and the second %d prints the value of the second variable salary. Let's run it. It prints your age is 20 and your salary is 5000. %d is called a format specifier. There are many format specifiers. Format specifiers are placeholders that indicate the type of variable. These are the few commonly used ones. We use %d for integers, %c for characters, and %f for floating point numbers. Example, int a is equal to 10, char star is equal to star, float f is equal to 5.5. Printf %d a prints 10. Printf %c star prints star. Printf %f f prints 5.5. By default, floating point numbers show 6 digits after the decimal. That's why 5.5 is displayed as 5.5000000. So far, we have assigned values to variables directly in the code. For example, int age is equal to 20. But what if we want to take input from the user during program execution? This is where the scanf function comes in. Scanf works like the opposite of printf. Instead of printing a value to the screen, it takes a value from the user as input and stores it in a variable. Example, int a, we have only declared the variable. We haven't given it a value yet. Scanf, round brackets, double quotes, %d. After the double quotes, we add a comma and %sign a, round brackets and semicolon. We write a format specifier here just like we did in printf. Since our variable is an integer, we write %d inside double quotes, then add a comma followed by the %sign and the variable name. In printf, we write only the variable name without the %sign. But in scanf, the %sign is necessary before the variable name. It's read as the address of A. We'll learn about memory addresses in the pointers chapter. Scanf does two things. It takes a value from the user via keyboard and stores that value in a variable. Let's run this program. When running the program in VS Code, make sure to click on the console before typing your input. If you don't, the program won't take input because the console is not active. Now, the scanf function is waiting for the user to input some value. So let's write 5 and press enter. Now the value of 5 is stored inside the variable a with the help of the scanf function. Always try to write a message for the user before the scanf function to avoid confusion. If we only write the scanf function without any prior message, the user might think the program isn't working properly. That's why it is not showing anything. Here's how to add a message before the scanf function. Printf enter a number. Scanf %d address of A. Additionally, let's display the value stored in the variable A. Printf you entered %d, A. Let's run this updated program. Now the program is more user-friendly because the user sees a message, enter a number, and knows what to do next. But you might be thinking, why isn't the second printf showing any message? This is because the scanf function has not completed its job yet. It is waiting for user input. The next printf doesn't execute until the scanf function completes its task. Programs execute line by line, so the second printf function runs only after the user provides input. Let's test it by entering the number 5. Press enter. Now you can see the scanf function completes its task. It stores the value 5 in the variable A, and the second printf displays the message along with the entered value. Here's a quick question for you. In the scanf function, what format specifiers would you use for char and float variables instead of %d? Drop your answers in the comments below. Watch the next video, which is the continuation of this video, where we will write a program to add two numbers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments below and share this video with others. See you next time and happy coding!